These are the XP Sharpen-Free Double Gracey Minis for anterior and posterior teeth. The terminal shank is 3 mm longer and the instrument face is half the length of a standard Gracey, allowing for additional ease of access in furcations and narrow tight contacts. The anterior Double Gracey Mini has a simple shank for anterior access, and the posterior Double Gracey Mini has a complex shank allowing for access of the posterior teeth. The face of the Double Gracey Minis are engineered such that the lateral cutting edges on both sides are angled at 70 degrees. This allows for scaling the entire tooth without needing two separate Gracey instruments, similar to a Universal Curette. Double Gracey Minis give you the full access of a standard curette with the increased functionalities of Mini Graceys. For the anterior and posterior Double Gracey Mini instruments, the correct end is found when the shank is parallel to the long axis of the tooth. The cutting edge is already adapted for removal at a 70-degree angle when the shank is parallel. If entering a deep pocket with deposits, slide the instrument at a 0 to 40-degree angle under the deposit. Establish a 90-degree parallel shank. Then with the XP Sharpen-Free technology, use an exploratory-like stroke to shave the calculus off from the outside of the deposit until you reach tooth structure. Being able to use this stroke preserves cementum and allows for greater tactile sensitivity. It also reduces the risk of burnishing the deposit since you are no longer popping off the calculus. XP Sharpen-Free Double Gracey Minis are 10% thinner than stainless steel, allowing for easier subgingival access. When working subgingival, remember that you are working in concavities, so the middle and heel of the instrument will be rotated towards the tooth next to it for proper adaptation.